to Umuaka Muza. Nona Umuaka Muza.
Children, please sit well and learn the alphabet A to Z in English and the Igbo language.
A is for apple. In Igbo, apple is Udarabeki.
B is for ball. In Igbo, ball is bolu.
C is for cat. In Igbo, cat is Nwologbo.
D is for dog. In Igbo, dog is Nkita. E is for elephant. In Igbo, elephant is Enyi. F is for fish. Guess what? In Igbo, fish is Azu. G is for goat. Guess what? In Igbo, goat is Ewu. H is for horse. Guess what? In Igbo, horse is Iwinya. I is for insect. In Igbo, insect is Ahuhu. But this silly insect.
J is for jelly. In Igbo, jelly is jelly. But this silly jelly is what?
K is for key. Guess what? In Igbo, key is Igodo. L is for lion. Guess what? In Igbo, lion is Odum. M is for monkey. Guess what? In Igbo, monkey is Enwe. N is for nail. Guess what? In Igbo, nail is N2. O is for orange. Guess what? In Igbo, orange is Oroma. P is for pig. Guess what? In Igbo, pig is Ezi. Q is for quail. Guess what? In Igbo, quail is Okwa. R is for rabbit. Guess what? In Igbo, rabbit is Ewi. S is for snake. Guess what? In Igbo, snake is Agwo. T is for turtle. Guess what? In Igbo, turtle is Mbe. U is for umbrella. Guess what? In Igbo, umbrella is Ncheanwu. V is for vulture. Guess what? In Igbo, a vulture is Udele. W is for watermelon. Guess what? In Igbo, watermelon is Anyumiri. X is for xylophone. Guess what? In Igbo, the xylophone is Ngedegu. Y is for yam. Guess what? In Igbo, a yam is G. Z is for zebra. Guess what? In Igbo, zebra is zebra.
Thank you for watching, and please click the bell icon to subscribe to Umuaka Muza. Umuaka Muza.